How to redeem your Google Play gift card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem your Google Play gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to redeem your Google Play gift card, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all open up your Google Play Store over here. Once you launch your Google Play Store, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top right, you're going to see this type of interface where you simply want to go to this option known as payments and subscriptions. Once you go to payments and subscriptions, you'll see this type of interface again where you need to go to this option known as redeem code. Once you go to redeem code, all you have to do is simply make sure to enter your gift card code, or you can also simply choose to scan them using your device's camera over here. You can center the code here and then just tap to scan. Once you've done that, it will get automatically scanned and then you can tap the redeem option to redeem your gift card. This way you can redeem your Google Play gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, so feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.